BYD. Kaso sarado pa. Sana next time may charge.
Hindi traffic.
Hindi tayo umuhinto dyan. Mabaho pag diesel eh. Walang link. First time sa third floor.
Yo, what's up? This
This is the forest lodge. Yeah.
This is the front porch, which is so big. Yeah. This is the living room with a flat screen TV.
How about that?
That's a campfire, and also it's because it's cold. And also
Here first.
Yeah, there's a CR here.
Other.
There, see,
Okay.
it's so big.
Nice. Come on. How about the this? What's that?
This is the kitchen,
Okay.
and this is our water refilling.
Alright, let's go up.
And then let's go up. And then this is second floor, and this is the grand master bedroom.
Okay.
That's a big restroom there.
Okay. Let's go here. Let's go here.
Now to the third floor. And then there's a CR here again. And there's another CR. And there's a room that is two bedrooms.
Okay.
It's so big.
Let's go up to the attic.
Like my. This is the attic. There's an electric fan there, and there are blankets here.
Don't need the electric fan here.
Yeah, and also this is.
Wow.
This is
How many beds? 1, 2, 3. Okay. Okay, done.
This all good. 20, drop kick.
Okay.
Okay, so this is the outside backyard. Yeah. This is some chairs so that if you want to eat outside, you can. And this is a barbecue grill, and also there's a hut here.
Patio. Okay.
There's a patio.
Ang garage na.
The next day.
Bili muna ng gamot sa Watson's sa may Session Road. Tapos bili tayo ng Victoria. Sa may Victoria Bakery. Punta tayo ng Victoria. Victoria Bakery.
lalong ma-risk mahuhulog yan because of Lolo Danny's driving. Mga nag-charge mga hybrid lang.
Kaya nga eh. Puno yung Evro. Paano yan kung ka lang, full EV. Ayan, tulad niyan, yung Evro charger dito sa Baguio, Camp Jimny. Kung naka full EV ka, tingnan mo nag-charge yun. No hate naman sa mga hybrid, pero tingnan mo yan, oh. Wala, kailangan ka mapag-charge yan, hintayin mo rin yan.
Tagal naman yung kapitay.
Yan, sige. Hapusin mo.
Tungay din man.
Weird flashlight.
Pova.
Pova 5. It's so freaking cold.
Last night na, tomorrow uwi na.
Oh, man.
The next day.
Carrier. Ikaw mo na siya.
Huling-huli, dropping the bomb. Oh, huling-huli ka dito.
Ano ka, buhat kita dito?
Ay, teka lang.
No, 38 lang din isa.
Beep-beep sa ka-Jimny. Ay, ka-Jimny pala.